Hello everyone, myself Swati. Today we are going to discuss about basic human rights. Related to that, our today's topic is related to social structure and interaction in everyday life. Now let us see how that social structure involve in our day-to-day life. Just see social structure and interaction. In that, social structure is a framework of social institutions, that is politics and religions, and social power practices, that is the social roles that make up a society and establish limits on behavior. It is social interaction. In that social interaction, what it involves is the process by which the people act toward or respond to other people, and is the foundation for all relationship and groups in society. Along with this social structure, just see society, social institution, and status and roles. Society is divided into two categories, that is a social institution and states and roles. In that social institution, related to social structure framework, two categorization are further divided. First one is a traditional and emergent. In the traditional, two categorization are number of categorization are divided. In that traditional, that is a family came into picture. Family, religion, education, government, economy, these all the things are involved in that traditional. And for emergent related things, that is sports are involved for the emergent. Sports, mass media, science and medicine, and military. These are the things involved in that social institutions, that is in emergent. Under that, then in status and roles, ascribed status and achieved status, these are the two categorization related to that status and roles. In that ascribed status, race, ethnicities are involved. In that age, gender, classes are also involved in that ascribed status. In that ethnicity means the fact of the states belonging to a social group that has a common national or cultural tradition. And achieved status, in that achieved status, occupation, education, income level, these are the things involved in that status related to achieved status. And for the society, third group is a categorized, that is a social group. For that social group is again categorized into two steps. First one is a primary groups and second one is a secondary groups. For in a primary group, the primary groups are again subdivided into three categorization, that is a family member, close friends, and peers. Peers is nothing but like matches or co-equal peoples. Related to this, these are came into the primary groups. And for secondary groups, what are the categorization? Just see, schools, churches, and corporations are involved in that secondary groups. Along with this social structure, the components are involved in that social structure and what it plays the status and roles. Just see, first component of a social structure and status and the roles. Under that, a status is a socially defined position in society characterized by a certain expectations, rights, and duties. Ascribed status. In that ascribed status, what it involves? In ascribed means what? Sure status. Sure, shortly we are defining that status. That type of a status is called as the ascribed status. Along with this, a social position based on attributes over which the individual has little or no control, such as a race, ethnicity, age, and gender. In race, ethnicity we call as a dharma, pantha, zaat, religion, vay. Gender means what? Stri or purush. In Marathi we call such like things. Then achieved status. In that achieved status, what it involves? Social position that a person assumes a result of personal choice, merit, or direct efforts related to that achieved status. Along with this, roles are involved in this that social structure, just see a set of a behavioral expectation associated with. What are these? Just give a given status learned in the socialization. What are the socialization status are involved? Just see role expectations. A group or society definition of the way a specific role ought, that is a necessary to be played. Role performance, how a person actually plays a role, that is involved in a role of performance. In next role is involved in a social structure, that is role is nothing but role conflict, that is argument, occurs when incompatible demands are placed on a person by two or more status held at the same time. Then again role strength, that is a force or influence that structures occurs when incompatible demands are built into a single status that the person has. Along with this, again next rule is related to that social structure is role of distancing, creating an appearance of distancing or mentally distancing oneself from a particular role or status. These are the roles involved in our social structure defining. Then next is the status. Master status is the most important things related to social structure. In that, status that a person occupies, for example, being a member of religious, racial, that is a happening between people of a different races or sexual minority or homeless gender, that means the people belonging to same religion, that means same dharma, pantha, in Marathi we call it as a, or for the sexual minority, that means for the लिंग भेदावरती मायनॉरिटी काय मिळेल अशा पद्धतीने, म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल स्त्रियांना 33% आरक्षण आहे इन मराठी, लाईक दिस. होमलेस, दॅट मीन्स घर नसलेली व्यक्ती, असं वी हॅव टू कन्सिडर इन लाईक दिस वे. दॅट इज अ स्टेटस सिम्बॉल आर material signs that informs other of a person's specific status. For example, wearing and welding a ring proclaims that a person is married. For example, in Marathi, if suppose जर लग्न झालेली स्त्री जर गळ्यामध्ये मंगळसूत्र असेल एखाद्या स्त्रीच्या, तर आपण काय त्याला इंडिकेट म्हणतो की ती मॅरिड आहे. This indicates the status. That means status is related to married, unmarried. Status is related to engaged, unengaged. Like this, there are a different kind of status present or status. That means it is a one of the kind of symbol. That means for the symbol purpose, for the married women, we are considering there is a chain. That is a, we call in Marathi, it is a Mangalsutra. It is a symbol of marital status. Then along with that, achieved and ascribed status, that is the challenges for the ministry. For that, many gay rights advocates would suggest that a homosexual orientation is a ascribed status, that is a gays and lesbians were born that way. With what we know from the scripture, what kind of a status would be Christian classify homosexuals as? Just see role and status visualized. In that status held by the Teresa, a 35 years old wife, mother and full-time secretary. That means their role corresponding to her various status. That means Teresa will play a lot of roles related to mother, he played role related to secretary, and he played role related to wife. Then how she is categorizing her role very fluently and very nicely. Just see mother, secretary and wife. For the mother, she will work for the frame with the children in setting boundaries. This is related to mother. For the secretary, differential to a boss. And for the wife, occasionally dissipates husband, mostly agrees with him. Then for the mother, she can do the duties, that is a cook's meal. And for the secretary, proves her boss correspondence. And for the wife, send birthday and holiday greeting on behalf of her husband. Her mother helps the children with homeworks. For secretary, tracks a minutes at a staff meeting And for the wife, listen to husband's gripes about his job. Then for the mother side, busy in a buys clothes for the children's. For secretary, serves as a first point of a contact for bosses, that is a clients. And for the wife, is sexually intimate with husband at mutually approved times. These are the different categorization or different role placed by the Mother Teresa in 35 years old with respect to wife, with respect to mother, and with respect to secretary. Very simplified manner. Then role and status experiences. Roles and the status experience, which is the status is another point and role is another point. Under that status, role conflict, and for the role that is a status in a conflict. That means for the status, role is in a conflict stage, that is it is in an argument one related to that status, and for the role, the status is in an argument condition. Along with this, role strength. What is that role strength? For example of a distressed status, that is example of conflicting the roles within a given status. Then applying the role strength and role conflict. How we are going to applying that role strength and role conflict? Just see here. This is the nothing but one of the kind of our dominant things related to that what we are going to play. How might a pastor, that is a minister in charge of a Christian church, how might a pastor, that is a minister in charge of Christian church, whose parishioner, that is a member of particular parish under the care of a parish, admits to meeting a felony in a private counseling session, explain the role strength of the clergy. Clergy means the people who perform the religious ceremonies in the Christian church. How about the role of conflict? That means how about the role related to argument in that? That is a role strength and role conflict. That is the argument related to this. Just see here, this images is showing that privately discussion in between them. Then evaluation of the mother status in Teresa life. That means Mother Teresa, how she is a evolved or in evolutionary part related to that social structure. Just see, she will be placed the roles related to socialization, then occupying the status and playing the roles, and third one is the role exit. Like this, between these three stages she works a lot of, and then finally she got the award, that is a Mother Teresa. That is a role of playing different things or multi-more things. That is a juggling. That is to try deal with the two or more important job or activities at a time. Related to this, she is a very famous woman. In socialization, Teresa learns to be a good mom and a wife by playing with a baby doll as a child. In an occupying status, playing roles. In that, Teresa learns what parenting is really like when she has her first child at 26. She experiences role conflict when juggling. That is, a juggling means what to try the deal with the two or more important job or activities at the same time. Along with the mother work. Then along with that role exit, how that role exited by the Teresa. Just see, Teresa becomes confused about her role when they moves off to a college, gets a pet. That means having a nickname for her child, to have something to dote on. Dote on means what? Lovely name of the child who is showing a lot of love for her daughter, and eventually accepts a new identity as the mother of increasingly autonomous children. Then second component related to social structure is a social group. Just see about the social group. A social group consists of two or more people who interact frequently and share a common ideas and feeling of interdependence. That means for the interdependency group, these groups are categorized into two categorization, that is a primary group and secondary group. What are the features related to primary groups and secondary groups along with the differentiating point? Just see here. In that primary group, generally small, and for the secondary group it is a usually large. For the primary group, relatively long period of interaction, that means for the primary group, in that primary group relatively long period of interaction will be done there, and for the secondary group relatively short duration, often temporary for the discussion. Then for the primary group, intimate face to face association, but for the secondary group it is a little social intimacy or the mutual understanding, like this happened in that secondary group. For the primary group, some emotional depth to relationship, where for the secondary group the relationship generally superficial. For the primary group, cooperative, friendly, related to that primary group, and for the secondary group more formal and in-person connections, communication in between two peoples. Along with this, social group can be formal organization. What are the things or social group can be involved related to that following things? Just see here. It can be related to formal organization, a highly structured group formed for the purpose of completing a certain task or achieving a specific goals. This is nothing but formal organization group. Or a social institution is a set of organized beliefs and rules that establishes how a society will attempt to meet its basic social needs. Along with this, then third component is related to that social structure, that is social institution and formal organization. For that social institute and what are the formal organizations are involved for that social institution, just see here. In social institution, family is involved, religion is involved, education is involved, economy is involved, government is involved, mass media is involved, sports is also involved in that social institution, science is also involved in that social institution, then military treatment is also involved in that social institution. But for the formal organization, for the family, untitled methodologist church is involved. Then for the religion, the Bank of America is also involved for that formal organization. Depending upon that formal organization, Department of Labor is also involved in that formal organization. Then Goodwill is also involved in that formal organization. Then CNN is also involved in that formal organization. Then Pfizer is also involved in that formal organization. But apart from this, just see here, for the sports, science and military which is involved in that social institution, these are the marked by the star. Along with that, mass media, items with a asterisk, that is are considered that emerging institute. That means the mass media, sports, science and military, these four things are involved in that social institution, but they are coming from that emerging institution. Then it's like the matrix, how that matrix behaves like related to society. Just see here, for the society we have discussed earlier, that is a society is divided into three categorization, that is a social institution, social group and status and the role. For that social institution, traditional and emergent, these are the two categorization. In the traditional, again these are categorized for the different 3 or 4 categorization. Just see here, family, religion, education, government, economy. For the emergent, we know very well, it is divided again sports, mass media, science, medicine and military. For the status and role is again divided into two categorization, that is ascribed status and achieved status. For the ascribed status, it is again divided into race, ethnicity, age, gender, class, and for the achieved status, it is again divided into occupation, education, income level. And for the society, that is a social group. Under that social group, it is a social group is divided into again two categorization, that is a primary group and another one is a secondary group. For the primary group, it is divided as a family members, close friends, peers, and for the secondary group, it is divided into schools, churches and corporations. Along with it, the social institution status and the role and the social group formed an interrelated whole of what sociologists called the social structure. For example, a family provides a stable structure to raise a children and sense of identity for its member. It may consist of the mother who cooks and cleans. What concept do the highlighted words in the example corresponding to? That means cooking and cleaning is duty done by any female present in our home. Along with this, just see Drunkim's topology of social solidarity. Social solidarity. Solidarity means the support of one group people for the another people who they are thinking that these peoples are right. E is based on the social structure which is based on the division of labor. Then again mechanical solidarity. So mechanical solidarity means what? Again this is a support of the group of people who are thinking that mechanically they are right. Then people are united by a tradition and shared values. These peoples are came into that topological of a social solidarity. Then organic solidarity. Along with that organic solidarity, the people are united by the mutual dependence on one another. This came into that Durkheim's topology of the social solidarity. Along with Tony's Geminis Chaft and Jesus Chaft. Tony's Geminis Chafts and Jesus Chafts. Just see here, sociologist Friedman Tony, that is in it is he worked in from 1855 to 1936, used the term Geminis Chaft and Jesus Chafts to categorize the degree of social solidarity and the social control found in societies. The Geminis Crafts societies are bound by kinship. Kinship means what? The relationship between the members of the same family and strong ties to communities, while Jesus Crafts are based on impersonal and specialized relationship. Then Geminis Crafts and Jesus Crafts in the Bible. Geminis Crafts, a type of a social organization in which the people are bound closely together by niche, that is means people belonging to the same family having closely relationship, and tradition, a German word meaning community, are used to describe the intimacy of the life is a small villages. Jesus Crafts, that is a type of a social organization in which the people came together only on the basis of individual self-interest. A German word meaning society or associations used to describe the impersonality of the life in cities. That is a Pantages, that is a Israelist community was based on kinship and tradition, and in this sense they are a Geminis Craft, yet trade patterns indicate specialization and division of a labor among the 12 tribes, reflecting a Jesus Craft, that is the impersonships. It's a 4, 5, 16. That is a Peirce draws a parallel between the relationship of members within the church and the human body. Each part is a working properly promotes the body growth, seems to imply a Jesus Craft with specialized division of labor. Along with this, social shift and challenges for the ministry. What are the social shifts and challenges involved in the ministry? Just see, how would we classify 21st century US society according to Drunkim's and Tony? Just see here, this is one image related to how might the modern mega church resemble Jesus Craft. This is a modern church related to mega resembles purpose. Then social construction of reality. How that really that we are doing that social construction. Just see here, the process by which our prescriptions of reality is largely shaped by the subjective meaning that we give to an experience. This meaning strongly influences what we see and how we respond to situation. If a man defines the situation as a real, they are real in their consequences. Thomas is mentioned this definition related to social construction of reality. Along with this social construction of reality, definition of the situations. Just see here what is the definition of situation. We analyze a social context in which we find ourselves, determine what is in our best interest and adjust our attitudes and actions accordingly. Then self-fulfilling prophecy. That is, a prophecy is what? A statement about what is going to happen in future. Related to that, prophecy is defined. A false belief or prediction that produces behavior that makes the original false beliefs come true. For example, housing bobbling of 2008, Y2K crisis, MTV punked. Then Goffman, that is a dramatological analysis. Then the study of social interaction that compares everyday life to a theoretical, that is a connected with the theater persons. That is a presentation we engage in drama on a daily basis. Members of our audience judge us and are aware that we may slip and reveal our true character. Then in-person management. In-person management is related to people's efforts to present themselves in ways that are favorable to their own interest or image. Then face-saving behavior, that is strategy to rescue, that is to save somebody our performance when we experiences a potential or actual loss of face. Along with the stages of social interaction, just see front stage. There are different stages are involved related to that our social interaction. Just see for front stage, pulpit, a raised platform in the church where the priest stands where he or she is speaking. Then backstage, parish office is a backstage related to social interaction. Then appearance, that is a clerical collar and back grab, that is to wear, it is related to appearance. Then manner, in that manner, what that manner is involved, just see, just one thing, manner, Solomon, that is a very serious special expression when administrating the Eucharist, that is a Christian. Along with this, just see one thing related to this, another explanation is the stage of social interaction. In that front stage, pulpit, a raised platform in a church where the priest stands when he or she is speaking. We know very well this stage. Then dramatological analysis in the Bible. What it says, Matthew 6, Jesus rebukes the Pharisees for praying, fasting and doing act of church in public view. Luke, that is a 2:56. That is, Jesus said to them, the king of the Gentiles lord it over them, and those who experiences authority over them call themselves benefactors. But you are not to be like that. Instead, the guarantees among you should be like the youngest, and one who rules like the one who serves. The gently kings engaged in person management, that is the idea. They wanted to live as in touch with the people, though they wanted to control them. Okay, all these things are related to social structure. I hope you understood that little bit related to that social structure.